Okay, so Android Studio is launched, and it say import Android Studio settings from config or installation folder. Do not import settings. So click, let's say, import Android. I'm sorry. Okay, let me okay, here is it. After it's launched automatically, then it will say config or install import Android Studio settings from, and do not import settings and other stuff. So click OK, just like that, and Visual Studio will launch for us to. Okay, so Android Studio powered by the IntelliJ platform. Some people call it platform, some people call it platform, but never mind. Android Studio is an development environment created by Google for Android development, and Google is the owner of Android, so they know the best tools to use to develop a very, very, very professional tools. So that's why we are going for Android Studio. So we are going to go and explore more adventure in Android development after Android Studio launch. So you can see the launch background here, and okay, so powered by IntelliJ platform, and it said allow Google to collect anonymous usage data for Android Studio and its related tools, such as how to use features and research on how to configure plugins. This data helps improve Android Studio in a collection of the okay. Send usage statistics to Google. Click it. So just follow the installations, and you'll be good. So the installation process speed would differ in every computer, because maybe your internet can also make it very slow or even faster, and also your computer also can affect the installation process. So I'm gonna wait for for Android Studio. Okay, so it's saying finding available SDK component, and it's downloading the SDK components already in google.com Android repository and add on. So just tweaking with this. So right now it's downloading the SDK we need, which is the software development kit we need for Android development. And now here we have our new window of Android development. Welcome to this wizard with set up your development environment for Android. Additionally, the wizard will help you port existing Android app into Android Studio or create a new Android application project. So click next. So these are all the platform which Android works in. Few of the platform, which is mobile, some watches, and some TV and computer, and some automobile, and also some other stuff here. So click next, and it says choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. Android Studio, and that is the standard. Android Studio will be installed with the most common settings and options recommended for most users. You can customize installation settings and component installed. So just click the standard one, make sure it's standard, and click next. And it says Dracula. I want my ID to be black because I love black colors of IDE. I don't like the light one here. Okay, so click the Dracula and click next. And if you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click previous. Okay, so SDK total download size is 54 MB. SDK folder, you can find it here, SDK folder, and SDK component to download. So these are what we are going to download now. The SDK downloaded, sorry, and so finish. So we are downloading the SDK which we need, which is the software development kit. So you just followed this video so you don't get into problem. So you just need to follow this to be able to successfully download and install Android Studio. So we are going to wait for this to finish, and so we are in 88%. It's 131. We are downloading 149 and 48.9 MB. So we are at 90%, and we are likely good to go. So okay, so 91, and let's wait a little while. Okay, 99%, and only 1% to go, and we are ready. And actually, don't forget to like this video and share this video and subscribe to this video, because you gonna about to get into an adventure that will change your life forever. You become a professional Android developer by learning from my video. And so also, if you go to Android website, you can find some simple resources where I'll be linking to you, or I'll be showing to you. So you can also tour the website, go to the website, which is for the Android development, and look out for a bunch of stuff. You'll also find some simple programs. You'll also find some navigation guides, but my tutorial is very professional for you. And okay, so now we are unzipping our stuff we downloaded. Okay, so downloading components via installation filter. Install follow the instruction found at software.intel.com. Android active installation instruction for blah 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 stuff. So I don't need that, and so click finish, and yeah, so Android Studio is ready, so we can explore and the adventure of Android development. So first, we are going to create our first project in Android Studio, first application in Android Studio. So in the next tutorial, we are going to explore the UI elements of Android Studio, and then see me in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos. And so in the next tutorial, we are starting the adventure of Android development. Okay, so bye for now, and see you in next tutorial. Golly, I just love this Android Studio version 3.4. We have start a new Android Studio project, open an existing Android Studio project, check out project from version control, profile or debug APK, import project, grad, Eclipse, ADT, and import an Android code simple. So see me in the next tutorial. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. 45.